2 through 8 two-step equations. I can solve two-step equations.
Yes or no? Can you?
Yes.
Good. So 2-8 solving 2 steps. Number 1, where there's no vocab, so our main idea number 1 would be the process of solving 2-step equations, which should not be all that new because we've already solved a couple of 2-step equations. My point on number 1 would be we added 5 to both sides first. Why? Why did we add 5 to both sides first, Bridget?
Because it is easier than dividing.
Yeah. The easiest step here would just be, let's get rid of this negative 5 by adding 5 to both sides. And then from there, you can do your division. Okay, so always do the easy step first. Number 2, struggle a little bit on number 2. You simply are taking the words of an equation and writing the equation with actual numbers in the variable. 18 is being decreased by 4 times the number. Make sure you read those carefully, pay attention to what they're asking. I don't know if we talked about this yet or not, but what does the word is represent in math? Someone raise your hand and tell me, what does the word is represent in math? Mac?
Equals.
Equals. Anytime you see is, you know that you are going to be using an equal sign. Okay? Decreased, everybody, what does decrease mean? Obviously that one's subtract. So in these problems, they're giving you a lot of clues just by the use of their words. Once you have the equation written, you go ahead and solve by getting the variable alone. Number 3 we struggled with a little bit. Again, you've got y minus 7 minus 2 as the original problem. It's equal to 7. So the problem in black there is your original. And what we did is we decided that the fraction was a pain in the rear. So we got rid of it. And we got rid of it by multiplying both sides by 2. So now, after we multiplied both sides by 2, this was our brand new algebraic equation. And that much is much easier than y minus 7 over 2 is equal to 7, right?
Yep.
That led us to a rule. It is always a good idea to get rid of fractions, should be an S here, in an algebraic equation as early as possible. Make sense? I think that was also our cheat sheet idea. And then our word problem. The most important thing about the word problem is, and Ryan did this, we established what the variable was first, what the variable represented, I should say, and from there then we read the problem and plugged the variable into the problem where it belonged, and then solved for it. Questions?